Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a quick look at Oukitel WP22. This is another rugged phone. This is the box, and here in the back we can see the specifications. As we can see, this device will start its life at Android 13. It is 4G, it's not 5G. It has an octa-core processor with 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage. It has a 48 megapixel rear camera and a 16 megapixel front camera. The battery is 10,000 milliamperes and the display is 6.55 inches Full HD. It has dual SIM and comes with Google Apps. Now let's take a look at the phone. As we open the box, we are presented with the paperwork. This is the quick start guide, the warranty certificate. We have a charger inside of the box. This is a Type A charger, and this is a Type C to Type A cable. This is the phone itself, and nothing else on the box. As you can see, we have a big speaker here on the logo. This is because the phone has a big speaker here in the back. We have a triple camera setup, multimedia speaker, LED flashlight. On the right side we have the volume buttons. This is the power button, which also serves as a fingerprint sensor. Waterproof. This is the charging port. Shockproof. This is another function button. And here we have the SIM tray. Here on the logo we can read the specifications again. Let's turn on the phone, see if it has any juice. Okay. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the phone has a pre-installed screen protector. Now let me connect to Wi-Fi, skip this menu real quick. Okay, so we are on the menu now. These are the toggles. This is the skin, kinda nice actually. I'm very intrigued actually. Let me open a YouTube video and test this speaker. Holding the phone in hand, it's heavy, but the build quality is very nice. Oh, it had a lot of bass. Wait, hold on. Oh, it has a lot of volume and bass. And from what I can tell, it has an HDR display, which is kinda nice. Whoa! It has a lot of bass, guys. Wait. This phone has a lot of volume and a lot of bass. It's practically like a Bluetooth speaker in your pocket. It has a lot of volume, guys. It's very loud and it has a lot of bass. And now, before closing, let me just open the camera app. We have smart lens, video, and we can record video up to 4K with 30 frames per second. Let's see, picture, we have HDR. We have different settings here. Picture size goes up to 48 megapixels. Watermark. We have beauty mode and more. Here on more we have Pro, Portrait, GIF, Panorama, Mono, Bokeh effect. Let's say Portrait mode. And QR code scanning. Here we can switch through different cameras of the phone. We can go normal. Here we can go macro. And here we can go on night mode and use the infrared sensor, where we can zoom up to 10 times. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.